Hi guys, it's Poison Ivy DZ here, and so I'm gonna be hanging out with Harley a little bit, cause yeah, I'm gonna go get the ball so she can play and hang out with me. So it's called Hanging Out with Harley. A great day, and yeah, let's hang out with Harley. Okay, Harley's not interested to that part. Okay, I'll show you guys a video when Harley has babies and my puppy Oreo. So she's like the mom. She adopted Oreo and she likes Oreo now. And one time she liked him and she loves him. And she's like loving him. And that's the dad of Oreo too. And then Oreo's gonna get some brothers and sisters because her belly is so big. Excuse you, Rufus, you burped. Okay, and then this belly has to come, and that's why she's so hungry, because her babies eat the food she eats, and then she has a big belly because she's gonna have babies soon. And that's cute. She's gonna have babies. She has so much ticks right now, look at but it's okay. She's just living her life. She's so soft. You guys touch her? Touch her calmly. She has babies. And her babies don't want to be mad that that's happening. Her legs are so cute. Okay. She doesn't want you guys to touch her legs. And touch Rufus, guys. Can't really touch him because he's wet. But you guys can touch him. Okay, so, Harley, let's go hang out. Yeah? Let's go, Harley. Harley, let's go. Let's go hang out. Okay, so I'm telling Harley to come and hang out, like, for a moment. And she doesn't want to, I guess. Harley, come and hang out. I'm just yelling at her. Okay, she's coming, guys. She's coming. Okay, come on, Harley. Harley, not under the under the train. Not under the train. Train. You're under the train? Fine. You go under the train and I'll tell my puppy Oreo. To come. Oreo! So guys, I don't know where Oreo's at. It's so dark down there. I don't see Oreo anywhere. So I just see a couple things down there. Let's go, guys. Let's go see if Oreo's anywhere. Like, I don't even see him. So guys, I see nobody. And I don't think my dog Oreo's like gonna be anywhere. And let's see my dog Oreo. Come on. So guys, I'm just glad. Stop. Oh my God. Guys, I heard somebody talk. Okay. It's just my neighbors. Okay. Guys, I don't think my dog Oreo is like noticing that Rufus is super sad. He doesn't even care. Oh my God. So guys, bye. I was hanging out with Harley so much and hang out with the nature. Bye.